How to add polls on Instagram Reel. First, go to the Instagram app on a mobile device, and then in the screen, right swipe, which will take you to the camera page. Here in the bottom, you can see options like Post, Story, Reel and Live. Click on the Reel section and create a quick reel. Now after you have done this, click on Next. And you shall be led to this page. Here you can see the stickers icon, which you'll click on. Now, scroll through the available stickers and tap on Poll Sticker. You can customize the poll by typing in your question and the two answer options. You can also change the color of the poll sticker by tapping on the color wheel. Now, let me type. Now click on Done. Now, drag and drop the poll sticker to the desired location of the reel. You can take it anywhere and take it to the desired location. Now, once you're satisfied, click on Next. Now you can either save it as a draft or share it. For now, I'll share it. So, this is how you do it. Thank you.